viewers and welcome back to Smart Racer. Today we are upgrading the TIK pipe on the Smart Roadster. And if you are not sure what is it, TIK stands for Turbo Induction Kit. It is plastic tube that connects the airbox to the turbo. And it's one of those parts that most Roadster owners never think about until it causes problems. The original pipe is made of rubber and plastic, and after 20 years it hardens, cracks and restricts airflow. Today we are replacing it with the Forged Motorsport Silicone TIK. It is a direct upgrade that allows the turbo to breathe more freely. More air means more efficiency when driving, but most importantly, more air means more power when you put your foot down. Now, this job is not as simple as it might look. The TIK pipe is buried behind the rear bumper and the crash bar, and you simply cannot reach it with those in place. So the job starts outside the engine bay and works its way in. Let's get into it.
So I'm removing first one. I'm using 7mm socket to remove it. Here you can see, and behind that is another one. They're holding also TIK pipe into the place, which we will take out and replace with the silicone one. So once you take these two screws out, your solenoid is free, and also the pipe is now free to move. Now I will take this part, these two lines, and upper part as well, which is connected to airbox. So you just pull these two pipes up, and one is behind as well. And then you just pull from turbo pipe like this, and I already untied from another side on the airbox. And that's it. It's completely out, and here we have one more line. One thing that will happen, bracket will stay and we can tight back solenoid, but we cannot secure the pipe like this one before. Also, one more thing, this is a seal that is going on turbocharger, just like this. So this one we will keep. We will just clean it a little bit, and if you take closer look, you can see the wheel on turbocharger. And now it's time to put some good quality product for the end of this build. Now regarding connection of TIK pipe, as I mentioned earlier, last one will go over here, so in this one, just like that. Okay, so small one will go on the back of TIK. This one will go over here, and this small one will go over here. Now regarding connection, you can go first on airbox. So place it over there, and then so first go with the back side, then connect all the lines if you can, this one and this one, and then last one put it on the turbo. Wastegate arm connected to TIK pipe. Here is TIK installed.
So return line, one connected with little bent. I try everything, but this is best. I will look for some like 90-degree angle, and then I will change this one. Other than that, one connection here, one connection here. This is furthest I could come, and that's it. There is no flutter or this bird sound. This is 0.5 boost. This is 1 bar. You can hear it, but just little bit. But the sound is so addictive. And that's the forged TIK pipe fitted. After driving it, I can honestly say the difference is noticeable. Throttle response feels sharper and more direct. The turbo has a much better sound to it. That characteristic induction noise is cleaner and more satisfying. But more than anything, what I appreciate most is the quality of the product itself. The forged TIK is solid, well made and fits perfectly. After 20 years of original pipe, this is exactly the kind of upgrade these cars deserve. If you want to order one yourself, you can use my discount code smartracer10 at checkout for 10% off your order. Link is in description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more Smart Roadster content. See you in the next one.